This is match 10, and the first game of match 10 is the women's singles. Saujanya Bhavisetti up against Ellen Perez.
It's time for Ellen Perez and Saujanya to lock horns in this opening
Hyderabad to
game
serve.
of match number 2.
Ready? Play.
Here we go.
Ball.
20 points in total. They change ends after 10 points. You've seen Ellen Perez play a couple of tied games out at 10 apiece, but the first point to the Aussie.
1-0 Hyderabad.
Beautiful from Ellen Perez.
2-0
That
Hyderabad.
backhand on the jump, one of the most beautiful looking shots. Take a look at this.
Such confidence from Ellen Perez. Third time lucky,
2-1.
gets the job done.
Hyderabad.
Suresh Krishna, the coach and husband of Saujanya, he would like her to watch some clips of Arina Sabalenka, who struggled with her serve, and she's currently the world's number 2.
Yeah, Sabalenka's got a massive serve on her.
Out.
That's a great serve though on the other side from
3-1
Ellen Perez.
Hyderabad.
She doesn't have to look far. And they love it too in the strikers dugout. Another good serve.
Out.
Terrific serve. Ellen
4-1
Perez looks extremely
Hyderabad.
confident, the Aussie. Go strikers, go is the chant. Plenty of spin on it
5-2
from
Hyderabad.
Ellen Perez. Gets the appreciation from Rakul Preet, the brand ambassador of the Hyderabad Strikers. On the run, can't quite find the forehand, Saujanya. 5-2 to Ellen Perez. Looking for the angle. That's what both these lefties have. Rakul Preet should be happy with this start, 5-2. Always full of positive energy for her side,
Out.
and it's working. They've got a 4-point lead early in
Hyderabad.
this women's singles game. First game of 4. You've got the men's singles, then the mixed doubles, and then the men's doubles after. 20 points in each game.
Ball.
It's got a good service action, Ellen Perez. Yet again troubling Saujanya Bhavisetti.
Out.
7-2.
7-2
lead.
Hyderabad.
Goes at it. And gets it.
8-2
Gets that break.
Hyderabad.
6 points separate them at the turnover. And this is a good start. Just what Ellen would have liked.
Good serve again. There's the 1-2 from Ellen Perez.
9-3 Hyderabad.
The backhand side was open, but really didn't need to do that. Went back in the same direction, Ellen Perez. And no chance for that to come back. 6 points the lead in this opening game of the second match on day number 3 of the Tennis Premier League. It's Australia versus India in this one. Ah,
9-4.
you don't want to see that
Hyderabad.
with the kind of form she's been in.
There you go,
10-6
10-6.
Hyderabad.
She's ensured she can't lose this, but I think this is where the big points should have come for Hyderabad.
Certainly, we want to make the most of an opponent who's not been in the best of forms.
Out.
That's not good
10-7
from
Hyderabad.
Ellen Perez. She'll not like that herself. Easy forehand for her.
At some point, you've got to realize you don't need winners. Ellen Perez has made far too many errors in this women's singles. And Saujanya Bhavisetti making the most of it. Only a 2-point deficit now, and 2 points left in this women's singles.
Out.
I think that's called out as well. She will challenge it if it's not. Again,
10,
too much
9,
on it from Ellen
Hyderabad.
Perez. What a comeback from Saujanya Bhavisetti, but there you go.
11-9
Uses the net
Hyderabad.
cord, gets the ace, and as luck would have it, that's how they close out the game. Ellen Perez takes the win in the women's singles, 11-9.
A deep breath after that one and regroup. The Australian will be in action again in the mixed doubles alongside Saket Maineni. But up next, it's two men in form. One who's taken out India's #1 yesterday, and the Latvian Ernest Gulbis on the other side of this short break.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
Up next, a mouth-watering clash. Two men in really good form. Ernest Gulbis, Nikki Punacha. It's Latvia versus India.
Hyderabad.
Nikki Punacha with the serve from the deuce side. Up against him, the Latvian, who's looked in some really good touch.
Ready? Play.
That's beautiful. That's something. A bullet down the middle. Rips that. The Latvian. Take a look at this. Take a look at the knee. The perfect service motion. Textbook style.
And
Slamming those first serves. Gulbis
2-1 Hyderabad.
just managing to send that back and doing enough in that rally, Nikki Punacha. Similar to what he did against Sumit Nagal yesterday. Big. Finds the higher part of the net. Inside out would have been the safer option. This underspin. He went inside in, looking to go down the line there.
Out.
Shaky forehand.
3-all.
Nothing separates them in this particular game. Suresh Krishna likes it. And what a story this is. Suresh, the mentor of the Hyderabad side. His wife, Saujanya, up against them, representing Mumbai. Slams that. Not too comfortable at the net there.
4-3
After a serve as good as that one, you would have really wanted to just send that back. 18-15, that's the number. Much better at the net.
7-all.
Gulbis sends that volley. Drops it short, forcing Nikki to come in. This underspin, good. This even better. Beautiful.
And right now, Nikki Punacha providing the energy on court. Big serves. And a great serve and volley. He took down Sumit Nagal yesterday. And he's about to take down a former world number 10. This is quite special from Nikki Punacha. Mumbai now know that Hyderabad don't have a single review left. And there's the point. Nicky Punacha, a couple of errors from him, and it's 9-all in the men's singles. (2018) overall. He can't take it though, and it's a string of points to Mumbai Leon Army. It's a string of points to Ernest Gulbis. And Mumbai now will settle for either a tie or a win in this men's singles. Big serve coming for Nicky Punacha. He'll be distraught. He thought he could have had a win against a former top 10 player in the world. Another double. Two double faults and a string of errors for Nicky Punacha. Hands the win to Mumbai Leon Army. He's a happy owner. And Ernest Gulbis delivers a win in the men's singles.
That's a confirmation. 2 11-9s, one in favor of the Strikers, one in favor of the Leon Army.
It's the mixed doubles. Saujanya Bhavisetti and Vijay Sundar taking on Ellen Perez and Saket Maineni. What a return that is from Vijay Sundar Prashant. He has looked really sprightly over the first 2 days, and he starts with a bang. One love. Saket has a good look at the spot, just catches the line. Good early inroads made by Mumbai Leon Army. Good hands at the net from Saujanya Bhavisetti. And it's the early lead for Mumbai Leon Army. 3-love in the mixed doubles. Backhand from Saket Maineni not quite working yet. Soft hands, great hands from Saket Maineni at the net. Really, really impressive. That's all the experience. And gets the Hyderabad squad going. Rakul Preet happy with that. 3-all. There you go. When that first serve falls, she looked like a different player. And we'd like to hope that she will find the solution to that serve. This man has been. Vijay Sundar Prashant has actually been one of the most impressive doubles players in the tournament so far. Lands the first serve, forces the error, and Mumbai take the lead at the turn. Sits up nicely, should have done better at the net. Indecisive, a little circumspect. Saujanya with the previous, and she should have done better with that, but sits up nicely for Saket Maineni, and then Ellen Perez says, thank you, I'll take that, and pound it home. It's been a tremendous match so far between Mumbai and Hyderabad. And it gets better for Hyderabad with that serve from Ellen Perez. When you look at the women players that are here at the TPL, she's probably got the best serve on her and uses the angles nicely, goes down the center. Oh, yes. Hello, hello. Vijay Sundar Prashant. He likes it too. Mr. Patel, the owner of Mumbai Leon Army. It's a good forehand from Ellen Perez, but even better from Vijay at the net. And another good serve. And when that serve does fall, Vijay is everywhere at the net. Great anticipation, fantastic hands, closes it out. And another good serve. Just like that,
10-9,
Mumbai
Mumbai.
out in front. They can't lose this. The best that the strikers can do is tie the game.
Out. 10
The error
all.
from Saujanya, and it will remain on level terms. We came in at 20 apiece. We finish at 30 apiece after the mixed doubles. Wonderful stuff this from the four players on court. What an effort from Vijay Sundar Prashant and Saujanya Bhavisetti, and also from Ellen Perez and Saket Maineni. And we head into the final game now with points on level terms, 30 apiece, with the men's doubles to come.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
Action continues here at the Balewadi Stadium in Pune. It's time for match number 10 on the third day of GPL 2023. Game number 4, the all-important men's doubles clash. Ernest and Vijay going up against Nikki Punacha and Saki Bomb, Saket Maineni.
The 30 all you're seeing on your screen is in 30 all as per normal tennis game scores, but 30 points apiece, which now becomes 31-20.
Hyderabad.
A total of 80 points per match, 20 points per game, and it's 1-love to Hyderabad. Great hands at the net from Nikki Punacha.
Big serve.
2-1.
Saw the same in his singles game earlier. It's just the shots after that serve. That's where the concern lies for Gulbis as well as Nikki Punacha.
And again, excellent from Vijay Sundar Prashant. To me, he is clinical in the doubles game.
The veteran Vijay Sundar Prashant. We've seen how good he is in those men's doubles competitions last few days. Comes in with that massive venom at the net.
Out. 5-2 Mumbai.
20 points, 7 played, 13 to go. The owners like it. Just doing enough, Gulbis and VSP.
Oh, not that time.
5-4
That is a Saki bomb
Mumbai.
right at the body of Vijay. And Rakul Preet likes it. Watch this come down. Boom. Oh, see you later. Just like that, they strike back Hyderabad. And the strikers back on level terms. What a match this is. Nothing separating them. Just 4 points remain in this match. Only 4 points, and we're still on level terms. Oh, Vijay Sundar Prashant
Mumbai.
has pulled off a little bit of magic.
He likes it. Mr. Sham Patel will be happy. Because the magicians, be it Arjun Kade for Punjab or this veteran,
Now, while a win is important, it's also very important because if teams are tied on points at the end of the league stage,
9-all.
the route to the semi-final will be determined by who beat who in the match. 39 all. Where are these next 2 points going? We could not have asked for a tighter finish. 39 apiece. Gulbis, you master.
10-9 Mumbai.
10-9. This is the big point now. Delivers on the big stage, Ernest Gulbis. VSP finishes it. And now, they're ahead. Saujanya happy. 40 to 39 the scoreline. Final point of the match. It's either a tie or a win for
Referee.
Mumbai Leon Army. And we've talked about how that could play out later in the season in the race for semi-final spots. Oh, what a return! Ernest Gulbis
Mumbai.
earns the win for Mumbai Leon Army. At the very end, on the final point, the men in orange and black have got the job done. 41-39 to Mumbai Leon Army.
And it's victories like these that feel so good, especially when you know it was even Stevens for, say, 99% of that particular match. In the end, Mumbai comes through, and what a couple of days the Army from Mumbai has had. Stunning performance yesterday. Follow it up today. At the very end, by the barest of margins, as they say.
Unbelievable win and an unbelievable match between the two teams. 41-39 overall. That's a good loss, as we could call it as well, for the Strikers. If you're going to lose, that is the best margin to lose by. Just 2. For Mumbai Leon Army, 41. That is a brilliant win. And if these two teams are tied going into the semis, it will be Mumbai that go ahead by virtue of beating the Strikers in this match.